How are we doing, guys? Yeah, I am just south of Doncaster at the moment. I'm doing my normal tramping thing again. I just looked at the traffic because it was sort of like it's only like just after 5 o'clock, and I was like thinking, yeah, maybe I could like fit another job in there, but it's been absolutely wank today. So I've already looked in advance, and I've already got a job going out of Nottingham tomorrow, which I'm picking up at 12. And I'll probably have to like that's going all the way up to London. It's only 126 miles, and I should be able to pick up something else to go with it, so not really bothered that I'm taking it for a little bit cheaper than normal. Yeah, so I'm tramping today, and I'm just where am I? Just north of Doncaster, I think. If you look behind me over there, you can basically just see like, well, that's the A1. As you can see, it's not fucking moving. Some days it's like that on when you're doing this type of courier work. You just can't go fucking nowhere. This is where you just like, I hate it when it's like that. It's a killer. So fuck it. When it's like that, you basically just retire. Just sit down, relax. It doesn't matter where you are. Put your feet up. Anyway, I'm tramping anyway, so we're out here to enjoy ourselves. See, we've got some eggs on the go. Well, actually, I've not got them on the go yet, but I'm just about to put them on the go. It's very easy to put this shit together. The stove only costs £12. You can get it from Halfords, Amazon. Basically, you just get it from anywhere. And you get these little cast canisters. I think they cost about £2 each. And you get a few cooks out of it, so it's all good. So yeah, I'll be eating these eggs because I already had the bacon before. And then I just like, oh, for fuck's sake, I've got nothing to eat. But I always take plenty of drinks with me, and I've got a few other alcoholic beverages, but the engine is going to be off, and I'm just going to be chilling out watching films later on. Yeah, that's my pulse for today. It's not been today's been absolutely shit, but I started off yesterday, so I think I'm on 260. Don't go to Middlesbrough. Don't go to Middlesbrough. It's absolutely, well, no. Anyway, if you go, yeah, northeast. Yeah, it'd be northeast. Yeah, sack it off, guys. It's crap. I'm learning as I go along what the areas are cold and what's hot, and try and learn from my experiences. It's no good. By the way, this is my sexy van. I paid 2,850 quid for this bad boy. As you can see, it's not the most prettiest thing on the planet. It's got a few battle wounds, as you can see, but it does the job, so we're not bothered. It's a cash machine. I love it. All right, signing out, guys. See you later.